Welcome back. My name is Srivatsa Pradhan. So far, we have understood about source control Git and GitHub without using any code. Now is the time to get our hands dirty by executing some commands. Here are prerequisites. You should have Git installed from official site and VS Code editor installed to follow along easily. Before you watch further, I would request you to watch my previous video by using this YouTube link on this topic for right context and to have Git installed on your machine. I'll show you quite a few commands over this course. It will be easy for you to get help from manual as and when you get into trouble with syntax of a command given the fact that you will be dealing with the bulk of these. Hopefully you have downloaded the sample project by referring to my video here and extracted the zip. Copy the folder 03 out of it and paste into your project, let's say Learning GitHub. Open Learning GitHub folder with VS Code. VS Code has a built-in terminal which you can launch by clicking on Terminal and New Terminal. I will use Git Bash to work on different Git commands which you can choose by clicking on Command Dropdown and Git Bash. Let's type Git into the terminal and press Enter. You will see an output with a short manual of all the commands supported by Git. Let's check a version of the Git by using git hyphen version and in short git hyphen v. You can find out short manual of any git command by using -h. Let's find out the manual of git config command, which we will use later in this course by using git config -h. For full manual, you can use -help flag. For example, git config -help, which opens up in your default browser. Manual is pretty helpful to have a complete understanding of capabilities on uses of a Git. Let's configure Git to get credit for your contribution. You can use git config with global flag to start all the projects on this machine with the set configuration. You can also get the credit in your GitHub account if you use email address of your GitHub account. Let's complete Git configuration by using command git config global user dot name, your name, in this case Srivatsa Pradhan, and git config global user dot email and your email. With this, git configuration is complete. Now we'll initialize a project by using git init command. Let's observe that color of files and folders in VS Code has changed, and you also see some indicators like U that I will talk about later in this course. It also has created an invisible folder named .git, which you can get into by using the command cd .git. You can list out the contents of this folder by using ls-la. Git will create and manage files and folder inside it for you as you work on your projects by adding, modifying, and deleting files and folders. Git holds files in an environment called staging before committing it. You can add all your files to staging by using command git add -all. There is a shortcut to it which is git add capital A. In general, most Git commands will have a shorter version of it which will use a first letter of its longer version. There is a common shorter version of git add command which is git add dot. Here dot represents a current directory that the command line is in. Let's use it. Let's command top dot git folder by using cd and we can use git add dot. After you have added files to staging, you can commit it. Commit is nothing but a checkpoint in your project that you want to manage later to be able to get back to. Let's use the command git commit minus m, my first commit. Here, minus m flag gives a suitable message for you to be able to understand a little more about this commit. Congratulations, you have committed your very first project in Git. You can list down your commits by using git log. It gives details about all your commits. This is all in this video. Let's meet on the next video.